Hi, I am Gladys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see what is solar cell. Solar cell is a device which converts light energy into electrical energy by using photovoltaic effect. So it is also called as photovoltaic cell, and solar cell is basically a normal p-n junction diode, and this is the symbol of solar cell. So let's see the construction of solar cell. So it consists of highly doped n-type semiconductor and lightly doped p-type semiconductor material, and top and bottom is made of conducting electrode to collect the current. So let's see the structure in detail. The bottom is fully covered with a conductive layer and top layer is not fully covered because the sun rays should not be fully blocked. Since semiconductors are reflective in nature, anti-reflective coating is used. The whole arrangement is kept inside a thin glass to avoid mechanical shock. So let's see the working principle. The working of solar cell is based on photovoltaic effect. So it is an effect in which current or voltage is generated when exposed to light. Through this effect, solar cells convert sunlight into electrical energy. So let's see the working of solar cell. This is the arrangement of solar cell. It consists of n-type semiconductor, p-type semiconductor, and the sunlight falls on the conducting electrode. So a depletion layer is formed at the junction of n-type and p-type semiconductor material. So let's see the working of solar cell. So when light energy of the sun rays falls on the solar panel, the light photons, which is the small bundle of energy, gives energy to the electrons and holes in the depletion region. The electrons and holes move to the higher level, which is the conduction band. The electrons move towards n-type and holes move towards p-type, and they act as battery. So this movement of electrons and holes forms the electric current. So this is the basic building module of solar cell. This is the single cell. So many cells which are arranged in columns and rows together form the solar module, and many modules together forms the solar array. So let's see in detail about that. So solar cell is the basic building module, and it is in octagonal shape and in bluish black color, and each cell produces 0.5 voltage. 36 to 60 solar cells in 9 to 10 rows of solar cells are joined together to form a solar panel. For commercial use, up to 72 cells are connected. By increasing the number of cells, the wattage and voltage can be increased. The thickness of solar panel is in range 2.5 to 4 centimeter. Many modules together form the solar array. This is the VI characteristics of solar cell. ISC is the short circuit current, and it is measured by short circuiting the terminals. VOC is the open circuit voltage, and it is measured when no load is connected. And PM is the maximum power, IM is the maximum current, VM is the maximum voltage, and it occurs at the bend of the characteristic curve. So the advantages of solar cell are it uses renewable energy, no pollution, so it is environment friendly, it lasts for many years, and no maintenance cost. The disadvantages of solar cell are energy is not produced during rainy, cloudy days and during night times, and cost of installation is high. The applications are, it is used in calculators and in wrist watches, used in storage batteries, street lights, portable power supplies, satellites. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.